Open a Netbank My Goals and Just Save account. Register on netbankcup.co.za to stand a chance of winning money, 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 money. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the Netbank Cup. Mamelodi Sundowns 5, Sibanye still 2. I'm joined by Wilson.
Yeah, Wilson from Morocco. Guys, truly speaking, we all know Sundowns is a big team.
Yeah.
And they were playing against the so-called small team.
Yes.
Yeah, remember, everyone is expecting that Sundowns is going to be a hawk.
Walkover.
Walkover.
Yes.
But guys, things became positive, grand negative.
For Sundowns.
Yeah, for Sundowns. Why I'm saying this? Sundowns, they scored first goal, second goal, and a third goal. That team came and scored 2 goals in a space of 10 minutes.
Yes.
Sundowns started to panic. How can Sundowns start to panic while playing against the so-called small team?
Minus.
And remember, the goalkeeper of Sundowns is one number 1 keeper in Africa.
Yeah.
But those guys, they managed to score 2 easy goals.
Against him.
2 easy goals against him. And for them, those guys that they score the goals, for them it's a record.
Yes.
It's a record, guys, a big record. Sundowns is number 1 team in Africa. Why should Sundowns is panicking, guys. They are winning by luck.
Sundowns is winning
by luck. I'm telling you. I wish that the next row Sundowns can come against face Morocco. Can come against Morocco.
Sundowns is winning by luck.
We are going to teach them a lesson.
Sundowns is winning by luck.
Yeah, Sundowns is winning by luck.
Sibanye record, you got 2 goals. And in 2 weeks, you tell Bagani. We expect to look at Bagani.
I never Sundowns to look at parents.
Never. It's in negative. Those players again.
Yeah, sure.